Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Lottie Animation Block from aBlocks. In this video, you'll learn how to easily add lightweight, high-quality animations to your WordPress site using the Gutenberg editor. No coding needed. First, open the section of your website where you want to display the Lottie animation. Next, search for Lottie Animation in the block inserter and add the aBlocks Lottie Animation Block to your page. Once you've inserted the animation block, head over to the General tab under the Block Settings panel. You'll see two options. Upload allows you to upload a JSON file directly. For now, keep it on Upload to manually add your animation file. Click the Upload JSON file button and select your Lottie animation in JSON format from your computer. Switch loop animation on if you want the animation to repeat continuously. Toggle reverse and finish if you want the animation to play in reverse at the end. Choose how the animation will play using the trigger drop-down. Use the slider or enter a number to set the animation speed. Increase or decrease it based on your desired animation pace. You can alter the name of the file. Lastly, you can use a custom Lottie URL to show an animation. And that's it. Once you've made all your changes, don't forget to hit save and check the preview to see everything in action. We hope this tutorial helped you get started with the aBlocks block. If you found this video helpful, give a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy building with aBlocks.